An example for systems, two component system with incongruent melting point is sodium sulfate water system. Sodium sulfate water system is a two component systems involving the formation of compounds in incongruent melting point, and the two compounds, two hydrates formed between water and sodium sulfate is Na2SO4 10H2O and a metastable hydrate Na2SO4 7H2O with congruent melting points. A compound is set and we know that a compound is said to possess an incongruent melting point when this compound melts at a sharp temperature which is below its actual melting point, decomposes at a temperature below its actual melting point to give a new solid phase and a solution. Such a compound is said to possess an incongruent melting point. And here is the phase diagram of sodium sulfate water system, and this is very important as far as your exam is concerned. It will ask for us an 10-mark essay. This is the phase diagram of sodium sulfate water system. As you know, we are plotting composition along x-axis and temperature along y-axis. And the point A is the freezing point of ice, that is 0 degrees centigrade. And then let us discuss the curves in this system. At point A, on through the curve AB, ice is in equilibrium with the solution, and B is the eutectic point. Here, the new solid phase Na2SO4 10H2O begins to separate at B, and along BC, the sodium sulfate 10H2O is in equilibrium with the solution. At point C, the new solid phase, that is rhombic sodium sulfate, begins to separate. And along CD, along the curve CD, the sodium sulfate rhombic is in with equilibrium with the solution. And along the curve DE here, at point D, the new solid phase, that is monoclinic sodium sulfate, begins to separate, and along DE, monoclinic sodium sulfate is in equilibrium with the solution. The broken curves BG, GF, and CF represents the following metastable two-phase equilibria, that is metastable curves, broken curves along BG, which is a continuation of AB. The phases in equilibrium are ice in equilibrium with the solution. And at point G, the metastable hydrate, that is Na2SO4 7H2O, begins to separate. And the phases in equilibrium along the broken line GF are sodium sulfate 7H2O in equilibrium with the solution. Then at F, the new solid phase, that is rhombic sodium sulfate, is in solid state. So rhombic sodium sulfate, since it is a continuation of the curve CD, the phases in equilibria is just the phases in CD. Phases in equilibria in CD, that is rhombic sodium sulfate in equilibrium with the solution. Along these curves, all these curves, the system is on applying reduced phase rule. There are two components and two phases. That is, system is monovariant along all these curves. Then the areas. All the areas above the curve is a unsaturated solution. That is a homogeneous solution. So the phases on applying phase rule, the degree or variance is 2. And the areas just below the curves, in all areas just below the curves, one solid phase in equilibrium with the solution. And the system is monovariant. Now the points. Point B. Point B is the eutectic point, and here the phases in equilibrium are sodium ice. Ice is one phase. Eutectic point, and ice is one phase, and sodium sulfate 10H2O is another phase, and solution. These three are in equilibrium at point B. Now the point C. Point C is the peritectic point. That is, the peritectic point means the incongruent melting point of the compound sodium sulfate 10H2O. And here the sodium sulfate 10H2O decomposes to give rhombic sodium sulfate and solution, and the phases in equilibrium are Na2SO4 10H2O gives and re-give rhombic sodium sulfate in equilibrium with the solution. Then at point D, which is the transition point of rhombic sodium sulfate to monoclinic sodium sulfate. So the phases in equilibrium are rhombic sodium sulfate in equilibrium with the monoclinic sodium sulfate in equilibrium with the solution. And point G, which is the metastable point, here the phases in equilibrium are ice in equilibrium with sodium sulfate 7H2O in equilibrium with the solution, and this is the metastable eutectic point. And point F is another eutectic point, that is Na2. Here the phases in equilibrium are Na2SO4 7H2O, rhombic sodium sulfate and solution. And in all these points, on applying phase rule, reduced phase rule, we have F is equal to C minus P plus 1, 2 minus 3 plus 1. 3 phases exist, the system is invariant. That's all about the discussion of sodium sulfate water system. Thank you.